Hello guys, welcome to my channel. This is Asra Nazneen from S.D.V Academy. Today we will learn semester 1 pre-engineering previous year. Now test the consistency of the following system and solve them if consistent. So we have to test the consistency of this equation, then we have to solve them. Okay, for testing the consistency, first we have to write it in the augmented matrix form. So 1 minus 2 1 minus 1 2 1 2 and this is 0, this is 2. Pi x3 value is not given, so 0 4 minus 1 3 minus 1. Now we have to perform the operation. R2 implies R2 minus R1, which gives the value 1 minus 2 1 minus 1 2 1 minus 1 2 plus 2, minus of minus 2 gives the value plus 0 minus 1 2 plus 1 1 minus 2 0 4 minus 1 3 minus 1, which gives the value 1 minus 2 1 minus 1 2 0 4 minus 1 3 minus 1 0 4 minus 1 3 minus 1. R3 implies R3 minus R2 gives the value 1 minus 2 1 minus 1 2 0 4 minus 1 3 minus 1 0 minus 0 4 minus 4 minus 1 plus 1 3 minus 3 minus 1 plus 1, which gives the value 1 minus 2 1 minus 1 2 0 4 minus 1 3 minus 1 0 0 0 0 0. Now this is the 4 cross 3 matrix. Okay, so the rank of this is 2. Okay, since the rank of this matrix is less than the number of elements, that is 4 cross 3, so it is consistent and have infinite many solutions. Now comes to this question. Prove that 1 plus I root 3 whole power n plus 1 minus I root 3 whole power n is equals to 2 power n plus 1 cos n pi by 3. We have to prove it. Now let us consider 1 plus I root 3 whole power n plus 1 minus I root 3 whole power n. Now z is equals to 1 plus root 3i. Okay, consider this one. Let us consider z1. Okay, now the r is magnitude is root of mod z, which is equals to root of 1 square plus root 3 whole square, which gives the value here 1 plus 3, that is equals to root 4, which is equals to 2. Now take theta is equals to alpha, that is equals to tan inverse root 3 by 1, which is equals to tan inverse tan of pi by 3, that is equals to theta is equals to pi by 3. Now take this value as z2. z2 is equals to 1 minus I root 3. R is equals to mod z, that equals to root of 1 square plus minus root 3 whole square, which gives the value 1 plus 3, that equals to root 4, which is equals to 2. Now here the points are 1 comma minus root 3, so which lies in the 4th quadrant. So the theta value will be minus alpha, which is equals to theta is equals to minus alpha tan inverse tan of minus pi by 3. That equals to theta is equals to minus, apply De Moivre's theorem, 1 plus root 3 whole power n plus 1 minus I root 3 whole power n, which is equals to r1 cos theta 1 plus I sin theta 1 whole power n plus r2 cos theta 2 plus I sin theta 2 whole power n. That can be written as the value of r is 2 cos pi by 3 plus I sin pi by 3 whole power n plus 2 cos theta 2 value is minus pi by 3 plus I sin minus pi by 3 whole power. This can be written as 2 power n into cos n pi by 3 plus I sin n pi by 3 plus 2 power n into cos minus n pi by 3 plus I sin minus n pi by 3. From these both, take 2 power n common. The remaining value becomes cos n pi by 3 plus I sin n pi by 3 plus cos n pi by 3. Here minus I sin n pi by 3 because sin of minus theta is minus sin theta. Sin of minus theta is minus sin theta. I sin theta minus I sin theta cancel out. This can be written as 2 power n into 2 cos n pi by 3. 2 power n plus 1 cos n pi by 3, which is the required answer, hence proved. Find the real roots of x cube minus 2x minus 5 is equals to 0. Correct up to 3 place values of decimals using Newton-Raphson's method. Now we have to use the formula here. Consider x naught, any value, okay, 0. x1 will be x naught minus f of x naught by f dash of x naught. Okay, now x2 value will becomes x1 minus f of x1 by f dash of x1, where here f of x value is x cube minus 2x minus 5, f dash of x value is 3x square minus 2. Let us consider x is equals to 2, x naught is equals to 2. Now x1 value will be x naught minus f of x1 naught by f dash of x naught. Now f of x naught value will be 2 cube minus 2 into 2 minus 5, which is 8 minus 4 minus 5, which gives the value minus 1. Now f dash of x naught value will be 3 into 2 square minus 2, 12 minus 2, which gives the value 10 here. So substitute these two values in this equation, gives the value 2 minus of minus 1 by 10, which is equals to 2 plus 0.1, which is equals to 2.1, which is the value of x1. Now here x1 value is 2.1. Now again substitute f of x1, gives the value here 2.1 whole cube minus 2 into 2.1 minus 5, which is equals to 0.061. f dash of x1 gives the value 3 into 2.1 whole square minus 2, which gives the value here 11.23. Now x2 value will become 2.1 minus f of x1 by f dash of x1, which gives the value 2.1 minus 0.061 by 11.23, which gives the value 2.09457. Consider x2 value is 2.09457. Now f of x2 value becomes 2.09457 whole cube minus 2 into 2.09457 minus 5, which gives the value here 0.00018. F dash of x2 gives the value 3 into 2.09457 minus 2, which gives the value here 11.168, which gives the x3 value here. So what is the x3 value? 2.09457 minus 0.00018 by 11.1689, which is equals to 2.09455, which is the required answer. Okay, this is the third calculation, third decimal values calculation. If you want, you can calculate more. Okay, I have calculated till this value. Okay, now comes to next question. Expand tan inverse x in powers of x minus pi by 4. Okay, now we have the Taylor series formula. F of x is equals to f of a, f dash of a, x minus a plus f double dash of a by 2 factorial, x minus a whole cube plus and so on, f n dash of a by n factorial, x minus a whole power. Okay, this is the formula for Taylor series. Okay, here what is the value of x? X is equals to pi by 4. X, now f dash of x is equals to 1 by 1 plus x square. F double dash of x gives the value here minus 2x by 1 plus x square whole square. F triple dash of x is equals to d by dx of minus 2x plus 1 plus x square whole square. That gives the value minus 2 into 1 plus x square whole square plus 8x square 1 plus x square by 1 plus x square whole cube, which gives the value here minus 2 into 1 plus x square plus 8x square by 1 plus x square whole cube. That equals to minus 2 plus 6x square by 1 plus x square whole cube. Now calculate for x equals to pi by 4. F of pi by 4 gives the value here tan inverse pi by 4, which is equals to 1. So f dash of pi by 4, which is equals to 1 by 1 plus pi by 4. F double dash of pi by 4. Okay, this is whole square. F double dash of pi by 4 gives the value minus 2 pi by 4 by 1 plus pi by 4 whole square plus f triple dash of pi by 4 gives the value minus 2 plus 6 into x square by 16 into by 1 plus pi by 4 whole square whole cube. Now substitute all these values in the given equation. We have substitute all this equation in given formula. We have tan inverse x is equals to tan inverse pi by 4 minus plus 1 by 1 plus pi by 4 whole square x minus pi by 4 minus pi by 2 by 1 plus pi by 4 whole square 1 plus pi by 4 whole square plus 2 plus 6 pi square by 16 x minus pi by 4 whole cube by 3 factorial plus and so on, which is the required expansion. Solve the following equation by Gauss-Jacobi's iteration method form. This is matrix given. Now we have to write in the form of x is equals to minus 2y minus z. The first matrix is 15x plus 2y plus z is equals to 18. Now here in this take x common. This can be written as 18 minus 2y minus z by 15. Okay, now 2x plus 20y minus 3z is equals to 19. Now write in the formula of y is equals to 19 minus 2x plus 3z by 20. Now 3x minus 6y plus 25z is equals to 22. Write in the form of z is equals to 22 minus 3x plus 6y by 25. Now this is x1, y1, z1, and this is y0, z0, x0, y0, x0, z0. Okay, take x0 is equals to 0, y0 is equals to 0, z0 is equals to 0, and substitute in these values. You will get x1, y1, z1 values. So now this value gives 18 minus 2 into 0 minus 0 by 15, which gives the value here 1.2. Now y1 is equals to 19 minus 2x plus 3z by 20, that equals to 19 into 2 into 0 plus 3 into 0 by 20, which gives the value here 0.95. Z is equals to 22 minus 3x plus 6y by 25. Z is equals to 22 minus 3 into 0 plus 6 into 0 by 25, which gives the value here 0.88. Now again substitute these values in the next iteration method. We get the value of x2. Okay, now x2 is equals to 18 minus 2y minus z by 15, which is equals to substitute x1 y1 values. So here what is the value of x1? Gives the value here 1.2, y1 0.95, z1 0.88. Okay, now here 18 into minus 2 into what is y1 0.95 minus z1 0.88 by 15, which gives the value here 1.0515. y2 is equals to 19 minus 2x1 minus 3z1 by 20, which is equals to 19 minus 2 into 1.2 minus 3 into 0.88 by 20, which is equals to 0.962. Z2 is equals to 22 minus 3x plus 6y by 25, which is equals to 22 minus 3 into 1.2 minus plus 6 into 0.95 by 25, which gives the value here Z2 value is 964. Now calculate x3. What is the value of x2? 1.015. y2 value is 0.962, 0.964. So here what is the value of x2? x3 18 minus 2 y1 y2 z2. Okay, y3 19 minus 2 x2 z1 2, z3 22 minus 2 x2 y2. This gives the value 18 minus 2 into what is y2 0.962 minus 0.964 by 15, which gives the value here 15.112 by 15, which is equals to 1.007. Here 19 minus 2 1.015 minus 3 into 0.964 by 20, which is equals to 0.993. 22 minus 3 x2 1.015 plus 6 into y2 0.962 by 25, which is equals to 0.989, which is the third iteration method form. Okay, if you want, you can calculate further. Hence, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you and have a nice day.